Hey, I'm Joel Lim, as seen on Business Insider, MSN, Yahoo Finance, and more. With massive inflation, dwindling production, and material scarcity, playing it safe in the market is more crucial than ever before. In such times, hedge funds are doubling down on blue chip stocks, and as an investor, you should pay attention to where the big players are putting their money. Today, I'll highlight two blue chip stocks that hedge funds are currently hoarding, which could provide solid protection for your portfolio. First up, we have Microsoft Corporation, ticker symbol MSFT. Microsoft is a no-brainer when it comes to blue chip stocks, as a Fortune 500 company is a favorite among around 300 hedge funds and counting. Even in the face of an economic recession, Microsoft remains a stronghold. In the past year alone, Microsoft's revenue increased by 17.7%, reaching approximately $62.02 billion. Its earning per share, or EPS, stands at an impressive $2.93. These financial achievements underscore why Microsoft is a top choice for hedge funds. Microsoft Corporation provides excellent value for money due to its consistent market performance. If you're considering blue chip stocks, Microsoft should be at the top of your list. Next, let's talk about Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. As the e-commerce giant that controls a significant portion of the e-commerce industry, Amazon is another must-have blue chip stock, especially in a time of economic uncertainty. It plays a major role in portfolios like the Bridgeway Blue Chip ETF and is favored by many billionaire investors worldwide, with over 200 hedge funds invested. Amazon's market performance is also noteworthy. Its quarterly revenue is up by 13.9%, and its EPS stands at $1. These impressive figures are likely to increase, making Amazon a reliable choice for safeguarding your portfolio. Amazon is one of the best performers in the stock market with no signs of slowing down. For those looking to invest in blue chip stocks, Amazon is a clear favorite. Microsoft and Amazon are two blue chip stocks that hedge funds are hoarding right now. In uncertain economic times, investing in these stable, high performing companies can provide much needed protection for your portfolio. Remember, every investment decision should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more investment insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing.